What you talking about? What you talking about, huh? So we got Lucky talking to Oreo and Double Stuff, and I have no idea what to talk about. Are you guys trying to see who's boss again? Huh? Chewy, where are you on this equation? Chewy, you gonna join in? Are you gonna join in? Talk to him? Blurry. I'm blurry. Peekaboo. There you are. There you are. Two boys. Ah, I see what's going on. Yeah, this is the boy thing. Well, I see. Snowflake. What are you doing? Okay, just ring around the rosies now. Get ring around the rosies, Snowflake. Ring around the rosies. Hi. Hi, Snowflake. Look, everybody's going to face each other. I'm kidding. I'm a goose. Set him straight. Right? Set him straight.